Now the slides you have seen was created by an AI completely, and to create similar slides all you need is to come to your browser and just type magicslides.app. Magicslides.app is going to bring you over here. Ideas to presentations in seconds. So within seconds you will be able to create stunning presentations for yourself, because these days a lot of people are struggling with presentations. You have slides that are very junky and they don't look professional at all. You have images that are irrelevant, some even without images at all. So with this kind of AI tools you will be able to create stunning presentations that you can present anywhere and with little or no effort on your own. So say goodbye to boring presentations making. Let the computer do the hard work and make the presentations for you. So all you need is to start by coming here. So it's an app that is incorporated in Google Workspace. So you can just go ahead and say install to get started, and it's going to prompt you to install this to your Google presentation, okay, or slides, Google Slides. So you can just go ahead and say install, and you can follow the process. It's just click through, and then you can just select the account that you want to use to generate the app on, or the extension on. So you can say allow to this, and it's now going to access that email to create this particular account for you. So you can say next to this, and done. You've created you've added the app. Okay, so all you need is to come to a fresh tab and just type on slides.google.com over here, and it's going to bring you to your PowerPoint's Google Slides. Okay, so you can create a new page. Maybe come to a fresh blank page. You can go ahead and give it a name over here. You can name your presentation directly. Let's call it sedimentation engineering. Okay, sedimentation engineering. This is just very simple, so you can go ahead and start creating. But the first thing you need to do is to come to extensions over here, and you can see Magic Slides app that you have created. This is Magic Slide app GPT for slides. You can just go ahead and say open, and it's going to open that particular app for you. So you can see it over here. The first thing is you can summarize a text, for example, or you can go ahead and start your topic. You start your topic and reference text, which is optional. If you have a reference text, it makes it easier that maybe this is the kind of text you are trying to create the slides from. You can give some instructions to the AI on what it should pay attention to, and then the number of slides you can start creating. You can give the number of slides. Limit is 10. You can say maybe you can give 8, and you can include images for each slide if you are interested in including images, which is I advise to go ahead and start using. This is the free version, so you have a number of credits to work with. So you can come over here and say enter the title, enter the topic over here. So let's say we want to talk about solar system, for example, solar system, and we can just go ahead and click on the color. You can define the color however you want it. The blue point, how do you want it? Is it the bullet for numbering? How do you want the blue point or the numbering style? You can just use it, or you can have the title. You can specify the font style, the sizing, and the color from here. Okay, so you can go ahead and kickstart everything. So this is for title, this is for main body. You can specify the font style, the size, and the color for the body of the text as well. And the background, the default is white. If you want, you can change it to any color of your choice, so the background can take that particular color. Okay, so if you are finished setting this and you finish setting the text, because we want to talk about solar system, you don't need to give any reference text or any instruction. Let's just go by the default and let's see what it's going to generate for us. You can just go ahead, click on generate, and just give some seconds, and let's see how much seconds it's going to use to create. So right now it's using about 99 seconds to create, but then let's just give it some time to finish generating the presentation, and let's see what we are going to get. Alright, so right now it has finished the creation of the presentation. So you can see the first slide talks about the solar system, a tour of our cosmic neighborhood. Okay, so let's see the images or the slides it has given us. You can see the first one talks about the solar system, the center of the solar system, the sun, and I think the image is not too relevant, and it's telling you that it got this image from Pexels, which is copyright free. You can use it anywhere of your choice. Okay, so you can go ahead and check over here the inner planet. I think this is irrelevant. You can go here and see the outer planet, which is this irrelevant image. but the bulletin and all that looks professional. The arrangement of all that, it looks perfect. Asteroid belt, I think this doesn't look professional. So the dwarf planets doesn't look professional as well. So you can just go ahead. The comets, you may leave this, but I don't think it looks so professional. But the creation is fast and it gives you exactly what you are looking for. But then you need to just update the images. For example, you can use the magic right if you want to use that, and use other websites like Pexels. So you can come to Pexels, you can come to your browser and come to pexels.com, because there are free images that you can just use. So let's say we type on solar system, and let's see, there are tremendous photos. Like we have 36,000 photos that we can easily select and use on our system. So you can specify the view. Okay, you can filter by sizing. Okay, so you can go with small size, large size, all sizes, so medium size if you're interested. And then the orientation, you can go for vertical, because from our presentation we can see we have vertical presentation. So because we're talking about solar system, you can use some things like, so you can just check around and pick any image of your choice that you think might be relevant to your presentation. For example, this one, you can just select this, you can go ahead and download. You can download from different sizes. You can just go ahead and download the default, and it's going to download for you in just a matter of seconds. You can see it has downloaded, so you can just click to copy. You can copy this and you can go ahead and put it here, or you can and alternatively import directly from here. Okay, so you can select and paste it. So this is the image you've just downloaded. You can just select this one and delete, and then you can go ahead and resize this one to fit the screen. Okay, so you can see right now you have put in something. Okay, so this is good. Alternatively, if you want to have other images directly, or you want to work automatically, you can just go ahead and come to images over here, insert image, and you can insert from a web page. Okay, so you can come to the web and you can search directly. So let's say solar over here. You can see different kind of images of solar, so you can just select on any of them. Assuming I'm interested in this one, you just select and you can say insert, and it's going to insert it in my presentation. You can select this and delete, and then we can use this one over here. I think this is cool, so you can just have it inserted. You can go to the next slide. You can say the outlet planet, so you can search for something like, come to the same images, you can come to search for image, you can just search for planet. All right, you can just search for planet, and you can see different kind of planet images. The one that you can see that it's going to fit for you, you can just select any of them and you can just have it inserted. Insert, it's going to be inserted in your text. You can delete this guy, you can bring in here, and maybe you can bring it at the bottom here if you're interested. All right, so you can maybe select this text and try to see how you can centralize everything. You can centralize the texts. This red line indicates the center. You can still select this as well and try to centralize, indicating center. You just drop it here, and you can see now you have your slides fantastically arranged. Okay, or you can select everything. Okay, so you have your slides exceptionally arranged. So you can go ahead and do the same for all the other slides to fit in using the search Google Slides, Google Images. You can bring in images that are copyright free and just have it in your presentations. But in a nutshell, this is how to use the magic slides to create your exceptional presentations for your own content creation. Or you can summarize you can use the summarize feature. The limit is 2,500 words. You can paste in your text and it's just going to help you to summarize it into slides. Okay, so that does it for this tutorial on how to create your slides with the magic slides. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.